pathways are basically you've already tested the pain and soft sensation. And do say pain and soft when you're doing this. And it's not sharp and soft, it's pain and soft. And I would also, we did that on your face, I would also do that on the upper extremities, including the shoulders, the forearms, the hands. I would do it on the lower extremities, completely down to the feet. And I would do it on the anterior and posterior chest. And for example, if I had someone with a stocking glove distribution secondary to diabetes, I would notice that stocking glove distribution in the lower extremities and also in the upper extremities with decreased sensation to both sharp and soft. If I had a person with a dermatomal distribution, for example, there was a disc herniation in the lumbar area, I would find that there was decreased soft and sharp in that particular dermatome on the affected side. And then if I could also, I would also test if and either one of those were decreased. I would also want to test temperature to hot and cold sensation in the same areas. All right, then I'm going to do, okay, go ahead.
Now we're going to do vibratory sense.
All right, I'm going to get my little hammer, get my vibratory stimulus, and I'm going to, this thing vibrates, okay? So I'm going to kind of give it a little twang here, and can you feel it vibrating?
I can.
And close your eyes once, and tell me when it stops.
No.
Good. And we're going to do the other side too. Tell me when you feel it.
I do.
And tell me when it stops.
No.
Good. And then we're going to do that on the lower extremity also. On the toe. Do you feel it?
I can feel it.
Good. Tell me when it stops.
No.
And again.
I can feel it.
Tell me when it stops.
No.
And if it was not intact distally, I would continue to move on the upper extremities to the bony prominences, the MP joint, the ulna, and on northward. And on same thing on the lower extremities to the malleolus, to the patella, to the ASIS, until she was able to state that she had it normal.
Now we're going to do position of the joints.
Okay, and I'm going to move your finger up and down, and I want you to close your eyes once, and I'm going to move it up and down, and I'm going to leave it in one spot, and you tell me where did I leave it.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Up.
Good.
Up. Move down.
Good. And the other side?
Up. Up. Down.
Good. All right. We're doing it Yeah. And now I'm going to do it down here, okay? So when can you feel me moving your toe? Okay, tell me where I end.
Up. Down.
Good.
Up. Down.
Good.
Now we'll do cortical sensory functions.
Okay.
Starting with stereognosis.
Okay. All right, I'm going to give you a something in your hand, and I'd like you to tell me what it is. Okay, so close your eyes.
Mm-hmm. Tape measure.
Very good.
Okay.
Good.
Okay. Now we're going to do graphesthesia.
Okay. I'm going to write a number in your hand, and you close your eyes and tell me what it is.
3.
Good. And on this side.
Can you do that again, please?
Mm-hmm.
4. Point localization.
Okay. And now I'm going to touch your arm, your shoulder, your hip somewhere, and I want you to close your eyes and tell me where I touched you. Okay? So close your eyes.
Shoulder, left.
Good.
Right shin.
Okay. And if it's easier to point, you can point.
Left shin. Right elbow.
Good.
Okay. 2-point description.